Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. I am very happy to meet you all in a new video. Before going to today's video, I thank all my subscribers, each and everyone, right from the bottom of my heart. Together we grow as a price action trading community. In today's video, we are going to see about trend reversal CPR. This trend reversal CPR is more or less similar to ascending and descending CPR, but the opening prices decide the overall trend of that particular day. So that's why we call it as a trend reversal CPR. Normally, ascending and descending CPR itself will give you a clear confirmation about the trend, but now we are going to add the opening price and the movement of candles to gauge the momentum about the trend, whether it is going to be on the upside or on the downside. Here I have taken Banknifty 5 minutes chart with daily CPR as an example. Let us see Banknifty from 17th March. If you observe 17th March as well as 21st March, on 21st March we add a ascending CPR. I am going to action replay and I am going to the first candle of 21st March. Now if you observe the first candle, if you observe the CPR, we are having a ascending CPR and we want the candle to stay above CPR for bullishness to continue. What happened on 21st March is the candles were coming below the daily CPR and you can clearly witness the market trading below the daily CPR. We are having a ascending CPR, we will expect the bulls to take control, but in this case, though we are having a ascending CPR, the candles are not having the interest or the momentum to go up, and the candles are trading below the daily CPR and S1 previous day low is also broken. Now you can clearly see the entire day the market was bearish and there was a good fall in Banknifty. This gives you a clear idea in the first 10 to 15 minutes itself to judge the trend or to judge the direction of the market. Now similar way, let us compare 21st March and 22nd March. 22nd March we are having a descending CPR. The candles are trading below the CPR. So obviously it is going to be a bearish day. Now today we are having a CPR. This is a slightly descending CPR. A slight descending CPR we are having today. The candles are above daily CPR, but still there is no momentum for the candles to go up and the candles were attracted towards the daily CPR. Let me draw a quick diagram for you all to understand in a better way. So let's assume this is day 1 and let's assume this is day 2 and let's assume this is day 3. Now all the 3 days we are having a descending CPR. The candles are trading below descending CPR, the market is going to be bearish, that's fine. On day 2 also the candles are below daily CPR, the market is going to be bearish, that's fine. But on day 3 or maybe on day 4 or even on day 2 itself, sometimes the candles will be trading above daily CPR. So that indicates a trend reversal. That indicates a change in momentum. The market may go up. This is called as trend reversal CPR. Now sometimes what happens, the candles will open nearby R1 and previous day high. Let's say on day 3, this is day 3, the candles are opening somewhere around R1 and previous day high, like this. The distance between the candles and the daily CPR is bit higher. Now, since the candles are above daily CPR, we want the market to go up. But what happens in the next 15 to 30 minutes, the market will not have the momentum to go up and slowly the candles will come down and they will be attracted towards the daily CPR. It is very easy to understand the trend based on this trend reversal criteria. The market will have a descending CPR or the market will have a ascending CPR, the candles will be above or below, and based on the movement we can easily judge the trend. So that's what I'm coming to say. We are having descending CPR for couple of days. From 21st to 22nd we are having a descending CPR. You can consider this as day 1. And from 22nd to 23rd March we are having a descending CPR. You can consider this as day 2. Now on day 1 the candles are below daily CPR. So we can expect a bearish trend. That's fine and that's over. But today the candles are opening around R1 and previous day high. If there were bull candles in the morning, then surely Banknifty would have gone up and it would have reached R2 or R3 levels. But since the market is not having the momentum, the Banknifty candles are not having the interest to go up. So what happened? The candles slowly started to come down. And that's the reason I said in my Telegram channel, we can expect Banknifty to get attracted towards daily CPR. Morning the candles were trading somewhere around this particular location. I posted an audio message in my Telegram channel CPR by KGS telling that we can look for short opportunities. Candles are getting attracted towards daily CPR. And the same thing happened throughout the day. Now let me go back to few weeks before and let me try to explain this still in a better way. This day also as an example. Now if you observe March 11 and if you observe March 14, it is similar to today's market. Now this is day 1. We are having a descending CPR. So let's assume this is day 1. Now the candles are opening above daily CPR. Whenever there is a descending CPR, we want the candles to trade below descending CPR and we want the market to go down. Whenever there is a ascending CPR, we want the candles to trade above ascending CPR and we want the market to go up. In this particular day, we are having a descending CPR. The candles are not opening below descending CPR, but the candles are opening above the CPR. Now just observe for a few minutes, just observe for first 1 hour or 2 hours. After a long consolidation, the market is not attracted towards CPR. Rather, the market is breaking R1 and previous day high and the entire day the trend changed. So previous day the candles were below daily CPR and today the trend has changed into bullish one. So same example you can see over here. So this is a outside CPR. The candles were check previous day, the candles are below daily CPR, the market was bearish, that is fine. But look at the next day, we are having a outside CPR and the candles are trading above. On 8th March, the candles are below daily CPR. On 9th March, the candles are above daily CPR and the candles are discussing for some time. There is a breakout and then the market had a rally. Now this criteria can be applied in any market condition for any instrument to judge the trend. Now this is a perfect example. This is what happened today in Banknifty. So this is day 1 and this is day 2. Here we are having a descending CPR and here also we are having a descending CPR. On day 1, the candles are below descending CPR, so the market is going to be bearish and we have to look for short opportunities only. But on day 2, the candles are opening above daily CPR. The candles are trading around R1 and previous day high, but there is no energy for the bulls to take the prices higher, and so the candles are getting attracted towards the daily CPR. Now this is a trend reversal CPR, but the market was on the downside. Okay, so trend reversal CPR in the sense, it doesn't mean there will be a descending CPR and the candle should go up. It doesn't mean like that. Sometimes there will be a descending CPR, the candles will open above the daily CPR, the market can come down towards daily CPR and the market can go up above R1 and previous day high as well. You can take any market condition even on this particular day. on February 24 and 25. The market had a gap down because of Russia and Ukraine issue. Next day also, many of us were expecting the market to fall. Even people were expecting the market to crash. But see here, we are having a descending CPR, but the candles are opening above daily CPR. The candles are having the momentum. The candles are having the energy to go up, so the prices traveled from daily CPR till previous day high. So let me take one stock as an example, maybe Reliance. Now here the candles are trading inside the daily CPR, so it is a no trade zone. And the next day the candles are trading above the daily CPR, and the market is breaking R1 and previous day high. So this is a kind of a trend reversal. Or even I can go back to few weeks back. Now you can observe March 14 and 15 in Reliance. On March 14, the candles were trading below daily CPR, and the candles were recovering, and the candles were trading above daily CPR. Now this is a ascending CPR, a small ascending CPR. We will be expecting the market to go up and the bullishness to continue. Though there is a descending CPR, the candles are not having the momentum to go up. The candles came down below daily CPR. So these are the short opportunities. These are the location for taking a short opportunity. You can judge the trend by the candle's location itself. Now let me go back a few more days. So on March 7, 8, 9, you can check Reliance. So we are having a descending CPR, we are having a descending CPR. Assume this is day 1, assume this is day 2, and here the candles are below daily CPR, so it is going to be bearish market. So we are going to look for short opportunities. Here also the candles are trading below daily CPR, so it is going to be bearish, and we are going to look for short opportunities. Now next day also, on day 2, there is a descending CPR, but the candles are trading above daily CPR. Now two things can happen. The candles are opening above daily CPR. What should be in your mind? Two things can happen. Either the market should have the momentum to go up, or the market should get attracted towards the daily CPR. Now on this particular day, you can easily see the trend is having some energy to go up. This particular stock rallied on 9th March. Similar way you can take any stock. Maybe I will take this also as an example. March 2, 3 and 4. We are having ascending CPR. This is a mild ascending CPR. Let me consider this as day 1 and let me consider this as day 2. On day 1, even on March 2, the candles are above daily CPR. We are having ascending CPR. So we will expect bulls to take control. We will look for long opportunities. Now here also we are having ascending CPR. We will look for bulls to take control. We will look for long opportunities. But on day 2, on March 4, the candles are trading below the daily CPR. We are having ascending CPR, but still the candles are opening below daily CPR, and two things can happen. Either the market should come down, or the market should get attracted towards daily CPR. So on this particular day, very easily you can see Reliance broke S2 after a small consolidation, and it traveled almost till S3 levels. So you can use this opportunity for some quick scalping, and you can make some little profits. So this is how again you can check. We are having descending CPRs every day, and descending CPR here as well. The candles are below descending CPR. Once the candle comes above this descending CPR, two things can happen. Either the market should go up, or the market should get attracted towards daily CPR. So this is called as a trend reversal CPR. Now let me quickly summarize this. So this is a descending CPR. This is day 1, this is day 2, and this is day 3. Candles are opening below descending CPR. Candles are trading below descending CPR. So look for bearishness and look for short opportunities. Look for bearishness and look for short opportunities. Now on day 3, the market may open above daily CPR. So here we are having a descending CPR, but the candles are opening above daily CPR. So this is a sign of trend reversal. Now there are two things can happen. Either the market should go up or the market should come down and it should get attracted towards daily CPR. If the candles are having some distance between daily CPR, then you can short till daily CPR. If the candles are closer to daily CPR, when the candle breaks daily CPR, you can take a short position and you can do a quick scalping till S1 and previous day low. Same case for ascending CPR also. Let me take this as day 1, day 2 and day 3. The candles will be opening above daily CPR, so you have to trust the bulls and you have to focus on long opportunity. Here also the candles may trade above daily CPR, you have to trust the bulls and focus on long opportunity. Now on day 3, the candles may open below daily CPR. Two things can happen. Either the market should come down and it should change the trend. So this is called as trend reversal. Why we are calling this as a trend reversal? Because we are having ascending CPR. The candles are not interested to go up. The candles are trading below the CPR and there is a change in trend. So this is called as trend reversal CPR. Sometimes the candles may get attracted towards daily CPR. So if the distance between the candle and the daily CPR is very high, then you can take a long position and you can do a quick scalping till daily CPR. If the distance between the candle and the CPR is very less, then you can take a long when the candle comes out of this daily CPR. This is called as trend reversal CPR. I hope you all understood this important unique character of CPR. I want you all to share this video to all your trading circle. Thank you all. Let us meet in a new video.